All right, are we all set up? Ready to go? All right, guys, this is your Choice Hobbies RC Freestyle. You can find Choice Hobbies RC on YouTube. Every Sunday, we have a new episode of Colorado RC Long Trip Challenge. Kicking us off with Freestyle is Ryan Gravedigger. Rules are as follows. You get a minute and a half on the clock. You get 2 rollovers. First rollover, you keep going. Second rollover, into the run. All right? We all ready to go? All right, we're free to go on the first hit. All right, we are on the clock with Gravedigger. Already smacked some walls to say hello. All right, so the sky wheel with the cards up. We good, nice smooth. And another good backside jump. And then 10 seconds left. See where he goes next. It's a tight freestyle course. Gonna be a technical one. Wow, big hit there. 55 seconds left for Gravedigger. Nice hit there, hit in the middle. So he's lining up for a reverser hit. Very cool. Big sky wheelie. Up to a slap wheelie. 40 seconds left for Gravedigger. Great run so far. No rolls. 30 seconds left. Oh, there's the first roll. Still have 28 seconds. Plenty of time. Uh-oh. Looks like he's having some steering problems. So he's going to fight a steering throw the rest of the run. 25 seconds left for Gravedigger. Let's see what he can do with the broken truck. See what he can get. He's going for that flip. He's lining it up. Oh, get the flip through. Is he safe? No, he's not. 12 seconds left. Clock starts on the first hit. Whenever you are ready. And we are on. Ryan's favorite teacher. His version of the Gravedigger here. And left, going for a reversal here. Power into the stars. Smashing him. He's going straight to the back foot. Oh, I was trying to take this out. A minute, 10 seconds left for Ryan. Big jump. 60 seconds left. Another big air hit for the digger. And, oh, didn't quite get a lined up. Well, gonna move on to something else here. Nice. The sky move. 25 seconds left. Big air in the middle. One roll. He's got one roll left. 42 seconds on the clock. All right, we're back on the road. Another big transfer here. Yeah, nice sliding over the center ramp. So he's lining up for a backflip. Yeah, big backflip, and that's going to do it. At 27 seconds left. You have 1 hour.
Perfect. Be careful, this lady has a camera, so you're not standing in front of it.
All right. Time starts on the first hit. keep up the pace pretty good. And there's a roll over on the floor. Back on the clock. Yeah, 45 seconds left. Nice body. Oh, flat pull into it. Perfect. 28 seconds left. All right, on the clock. Great figure ice. Whoa, she got it back. Nice little roll over save. Yeah, ooh, right in the back of the ring. That was dangerous. Tax it out pretty good though. Yep, a little tire jump. Family tires. 1 minute left. Big tire for the good figure ice. Good arrows to center ramp. Smashing 2 cars. Just like you like to see. Nice backflip. Perfectly done. 45 seconds left. Celebrating backflip air. Landed perfectly. 35 seconds. Finish come out to the sky wheelie. Oh, what's he trying now? He tries to reverse the flip and hits it for the brush cam. Yeah, on the sidewall. That's 1 roll. He has 21 seconds left. Good run so far for Brendan. He's got a light hanging out again. Typical great big stuff. Alright, he's back on the way. Ooh, that was a big hit, but he survived it. 15 seconds left for the bigger ice. He's staying, and no, he's going to turtle it. 9 seconds left in the run.